daily dash of life. The Cubs and I will be whipping up some yummy desserts that you can make for your upcoming Thanksgiving feast or for whenever you're craving them. If you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my latest videos. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below so that you can make your grocery list and set everything up before you start baking. While I prepare the pie filling, I will preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the pie filling, I will beat the cream cheese until it has a smooth consistency. Then I mix in the pumpkin puree, add 1 egg at a time, including the egg yolk. Next, add sour cream, sugar, and the spices to the bowl. Lastly, add flour and the vanilla. Then just beat everything together until everything is well combined. On to the next step. Pour the filling into the mini pie crusts. In case you're wondering, I use a 1/4 measuring cup to scoop the filling into the pie crust. If you don't have one, then you can just use 4 tablespoons to measure out and fill the mini pies with. Spread the filling out evenly and place the pies into the oven. Place the pies into the oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until you see that the centers have set. Now, by set, I mean that there is no jiggle to the center. These mini pumpkin pies seem to take a little longer to set than my regular cheesecake pies because they're more moist. So if you need the link to my regular cheesecake pies, I'll leave that in the description box below so that you can use that as a reference.
Like fall.
After the baking is done, allow them to completely cool before refrigerating them, which will take roughly 45 minutes to an hour to completely cool. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours before adding your decor and eating them. I started late, so I'm just gonna leave them for the next day. As for the homemade whip, I start by placing the mixing bowl and the whisk in the freezer for at least 20 minutes to chill. Now, to be honest, I actually put them in the freezer early on in the day to get them started with their chill. And I put the heavy whipping cream in the freezer 20 minutes prior to using it. The colder everything is, the better. Pour heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla extract into the cold bowl and whisk on a high speed until you get stiff peaks. It should only take 5 minutes, and the stiff peaks should hold their shape when you are done. You don't want to overbeat, so if you will be using your whip to decorate using a piping bag, you can add 1 tablespoon of instant vanilla pudding powder. This will add even more stiffness to the whip so that you can pipe better with the whip without having to beat much longer. The whip lasts somewhere around 10 hours if you seal it in an airtight container and keep it cool. So I'm not making mine until I need it. and then I will keep it in an airtight container as well as keep it cold. But seeing as it is so easy to make with so little ingredients, I can just make myself more if need be. For the filling today, I used Paula Deen's Pumpkin Cheesecake Pie recipe. Now I will decorate the pies. If you are using these for your Thanksgiving feast, then I would suggest you decorate them by adding some pie crust cutouts to the top, or just adding a big dollop of whip, or perhaps using some sprinkled powdered sugar. This is my first time using the semi-homemade crusts, and I learned that it is best to cook them separately, following the instructions on the box, and then just add them to the tops of your pies later. Thank you so much for stopping by today. The Cubs and I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope it not only gave you some inspiration on an easy dessert to make for Thanksgiving, but I also hope it gave you inspiration on what you can do to spice things up in the kitchen with your own Cubs. Okay, everyone, cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers! Toodles!
Toodles!
This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!